A unique, quick, no-bake dessert. Put the biscuits in a large bowl. Crush the biscuits with an immersion blender. Pour condensed milk into the bowl. Add cocoa and mix well with a whisk. Pour the mixture over the ground biscuits and mix well. Add melted butter and mix once again. Take a little of the mixture and shape sweets of the same size with your hands, with a neat shape. Place all the sweets on a platter. Coat the cakes on all sides with honey. Put peanuts in the blender cup and grind. Roll the candies in the peanuts, then chill for 1 hour. In the heated saucepan, add sugar and pour in water. Mix well. Tear mint leaves. Add orange zest. Then lemon zest. Mix well. Squeeze the juice from the orange and lemon. Boil the lemonade for a few minutes. Enjoy the lemonade cold. These sweets are especially adored by children.